whether you are for Republicans or Democrats, it doesn't mean a thing. It means that we have lost the power as the people of the United States, and now it's time to get it back. We're going to win when we're together as one, thinking for the good of all. Here's what we're going to do. April 22nd, Mother Earth's Day birthday, okay? We are going to gift Mother Earth a present, and that is, we're not going to go anywhere because we're going to turn off all electronics equipment. We're going to not drive, not buy gas, not do anything except stay home. We have the power to decide. So anytime that we feel like they're not treating us right, whoever is in power, then we call a boycott. This is because we're going to show the corporations who's in charge. You see, if we do this together, we'll have the power to decide how our life is going to go from now on. Let's face it, we need a turbulent time. This is it. Then we can stop them because these people are talking about money and profit, okay? And money and profit is what we are the people are going to control, show up, turn everything off, give Mother Earth a birthday present, and we need to fix it. And the way to fix it is control the money that goes out, and we're the ones to spend it, and we can tell them how to run our life the right way. You understand? Turn everything on. Cooperate, please. It's for the good of all. We cannot be divided anymore. This is what caused the problem in the first place. Peace and love to you, and spread it around. And I'll see you soon with a beautiful country that we, the people, are going to control them.